A lot of work remains to be done to restore the KPLC into an operationally efficient and financially stable utility. But work is also going on in this regard across the entire utility and its service chain. We are looking at business processes and, more importantly, growing the sense of accountability for responsibilities of every staff and or supervisor. But this exercise is not limited to the KPLC. We are also looking at the other sagas in the ministry to ensure alignment across the ecosystem. So the idea is really to align the agencies to the various points of the value chain in the energy sector. Anybody can be asked, is going to be held to account, even engineers. Nobody is above the law, and I'm sure you can attest to that. So I think the issue is to ask for due process, to establish what the situation is. I will tell you something. The pylons in Naivasha, if they had come down, it would have taken us a minimum of 4 weeks to get this country alight. That is the scale of risk we are talking. So I think let people not be flippant about this. It is serious, and it is going to be taken with the seriousness it deserves.